Hello my friend, and then I am planning to show you that how to replace this BMW car's alternator. And here is this my alternator, and if we look in that engine area, we can see that there is cylinder head in that area, and there is intake manifold, and alternator is in here. And next I show you that how I replace that. We can see that this our belt is in that location in here, and I need really now 16 millimeter, little bit longer wrench what fits in that bolt in here, this bolt in here. And when we look at bolt area, we can use this our wrench in. When there is this engine bay, I insert my wrench hand in here, and then I compress only down. And look, in that way this tensioner moves nicely, very nicely. Here look, and in that position. And then when I remove in that position down, and then same time I take this belt away in here, in that position. Okay, and then next step is that I have to only rotate this belt away in that way, and now this belt is free. Okay, and then when right belt is away, I need to take 1, 2, 3 of these 13. I need 1, 3, 13 millimeter socket what fits in this bolt in here, and then that bolt in here, and that bolt. And then I can take my wrench, and this opening direction is in that way in here. And this start end in that way, and there is also one bolt in here, second in that way, and third one is in here. And let's go to look those close. Okay, and there is really those bolts in here, and now I am opening these, and this bolt, they are not very tight, but they are long, and that's I have to work in here a little bit longer time in that way. Okay, and then there is this upper bolt also. Take away, and then if we have this electric impact driver, we can also open this bolt in that way. And now we have one bolt in hand, and this is really just specific 13 millimeter bolt, and there is two similar, and I take also those bolts away, and then we can continue that job. Okay, and now when these all bolts are free, I can check that that one is for ready, and here is this second one, and in that position we have this final one in here, and now all bolts are free. And then in that position I can then a little bit bend that alternator in that position, because there is next bolt in that back area. Okay, and this back area, there is one bolt and one connector, and first I take this connector out, and there is idea that I press this side in here. Let's go to look closer, and there is really this one cable what I need to press in here, and then pull out that cable. Let's look. Okay, and then I press this cable side and then pull out this electric cable. Little bit movement, and then this cable opens, and then we can see in same area that nut in here, that nut, and this is 17 millimeter bolt. And then I have to open this bolt in here, that one, and let's look closer. There is this bolt in here, and then I need wrench. What size is 17 millimeter, and it fits in that bolt in directly in that way. And now when I install my 17, look, 17 millimeter wrench, and in that direction I can open that bolt. And this is easy bolt to open. And now, and this is interesting bolt also. It is like copper based bolt. Look, very interesting BMW bolt. And then when I have made that, then I can little bit move that, and then I only move that cable slot. Now we can look closer. This cable slot in here, I only little bit move that out this cables and that way. And now this alternator is free in here. And that way, good. And alternator is in here. Okay, and then here we have really this BMW 300 series alternator, and there is interesting. There is this drive belts. This support wheel is in same position like this alternator, and in that back area we can see that what is this alternator's this maker, and there is this code, and we can go to look closer, and there is BMW's code, and then this material code number also in there. Okay, and this is this, and maker is Valeo. Okay, that kind of information. And there are those back areas, and there are bolts if we need to disassemble that. And here we have this connector point. Thank you.